Hello students, today we will discuss the two fundamental methods of reasoning. So reasoning starts with an argument. So what is an argument? A set of premises to support a conclusion. It means an argument is made up of premises that leads to the conclusion or support the conclusion. But what is premises? One or more than one statement in an argument that provides evidence or support to conclusion. It means premises are one or more statement that provides reasons or evidence in a support of conclusion. Let's take an example. All humans are mortal. Socrates is a human. Therefore, Socrates is immortal. Now, the two statements are premises and support the conclusion with a reason. Now let's move on to the inductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning starts with a specific observation and drive it into a conclusion. An observation may be hypothesis based, so conclusion may be uncertain or not true. And it is bottom up approach in which we start with specific details observation and gradually build up more general understanding and conclusion. And that observation must be based on a logic. Let's take an example. The sun has risen every day in the past. Observation 2. The sun rose today. In conclusion, the sun will likely rise tomorrow. So, it is logically true. If sun has always risen before and it rose today, it makes sense to think it will rise again tomorrow. Or realistically, unexpected things can happen. While it usually rises, we can't be 100% sure that it will rise every single day because something unusual could occur. In simple, the conclusion of inductive method can be a good case based on what usually happens, but it's not a guarantee because unexpected things can happen in the real world. Now, deductive method. Deductive reasoning is the opposite of inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning starts with the general premises to drive a specific conclusion and based on a logical reasoning, rationality and certainty, and it is top-down approach because it starts with a general principle or premises and then moves downwards to draw a specific conclusion. Let's take an example. All mammals have lungs. Dolphins are mammal, so conclusion is that dolphins have lungs. It is illogically true and realistically true because the logical structure of this argument is valid. The argument assumes that the premises are true based on general biological knowledge, and in reality, biological science support the premises that mammals as a class have a lungs and dolphins are classified as a mammals. So it is logically as well as realistically true. I hope you understand the two concepts of reasoning. Thank you so much for your time.